Hey friends, if you wish to show or hide the favorites bar in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select Settings, go to the Appearance tab. Now scroll down to the section where it shows favorites, show favorites bar. Now it shows it on new tabs only. What does it mean? Let us say I open a new tab, it will show the favorites bar, but if I go to a website, let's say, it will not show the favorites bar. So if you want to disable it, then you can select it at never. And now opening a new tab does not show the favorites bar. And if you want to make changes like show it always, then you can see that even if I open a website, it will still show the favorites bar, or you can choose whatever you want. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.